The Skoda Enyaq's MIB3 infotainment system can experience issues like frozen or black screens. These problems often stem from software glitches or power fluctuations, common in electric vehicles. First, perform a soft reset by holding the power button for 10 to 15 seconds. If that fails, disconnect the 12-volt battery for 30 minutes, but this should be done by a professional. Check for available over-the-air software updates via the Skoda Connect app or at a dealership. Finally, use the MIB3's built-in diagnostic tool in Settings, System Diagnostics to identify specific error codes such as error code 500 for connectivity issues. These steps can often resolve the issue and help determine if a deeper fix is necessary. MIB3 infotainment issues stem from its Linux-based system struggling to handle the complex demands of electric vehicle data and connectivity. The processing power can be insufficient, leading to crashes and freezes. Automakers are investing in AI-driven diagnostics and faster over-the-air updates to address these problems proactively. The future points toward cloud-based processing in systems like MIB4, reducing strain on local hardware. Experts predict modular systems for easier upgrades and significant reductions in issues through better AI integration by 2030.